everyone, Jenny from Crazy About Chalk here today, and I am super excited to tell you guys about my latest class using Chalk Couture. And your friend may have said, hey, let's check this class out, or you may have just stumbled across this video and you're wondering, what is Chalk Couture? Let me tell you a little bit about it, okay? It is the most versatile home decor stuff you will ever come across. In my opinion, it's amazing. You can create your own masterpieces. You can either be a super seasoned crafter or fresh out of the box, like you've never crafted. You don't even consider yourself a crafter. Anyone can do this. It is amazing stuff. So what it is you use silkscreen transfers, and here's one that's still in the package, and you use chalk paste along with a little tool we call a squeegee, and now there's a lot of transfers to choose from, and you put this on a surface and you color it with the chalk paste. It may sound a little confusing, but let me show you an example, okay? So here's a sneak peek for what we'll use for the class. And there's basically 4 steps when using Chalk Couture. First, you place it. So I'm going to take a sample. This is one of the feathers from the Tribal Feathers transfer set. And you just peel it off the backing. And I'm just going to go ahead and stick it right up here in the corner. Okay. So first you place your transfer, okay? Then, let's see if I can get this down just a bit. There we go. Then you paste it, and that is adding the chalk paste. I'm going to go ahead and get that out here. And these come in these little containers. Now mine has been used quite a bit. You get a lot of paste in one little jar. So I love how many projects I'm able to do with one jar. And I'm just mixing it up. So after you place it, you paste it. And so you take a little bit of the chalk paste and you just put it on the transfer. Then you take your squeegee and you just pull the chalk paste over the design, and you want to go and everywhere that you see part of the design, and I need a little bit more paste. And I actually prefer to put a little more paste because whatever is not used on your design, and I'll show you here in just a second, you're able, the excess there, you can just wipe that off and right back into your container. So it's very economical. All right, and then you peel up your transfer and you present. And I present to you my beautiful feather. So that's it. You place, you paste, you peel, and you present. And that is it. And this takes just about a couple minutes to dry, of course, depending on how, if you have a design with thick lines or depending on your design, but just a few minutes to dry. So it's really, really fast when I don't want to touch it before it's dry. But that is it. Now, here's another one of my favorite parts about Chalk Couture, and one thing that really, really sold me is I love the look of painting and things, right? But once you paint, that's it. And if you mess up, you're kind of stuck, right? With this stuff. So say this is like a snowman, okay? And I want to change it because it's after the holidays. So I'm going to just take a little disinfecting wipe here. And it is coming right off. So now I've taken off that snowman, and I can now put Valentine's Day. Once this board dries, I'm ready. The board is blank again and ready for the next season. If I totally loved the design that I have, I can take a spray sealer and leave it on there, and it is on for good. But I like to be able to change things, so it makes it really, we get more bang for your buck that way, I think. So in a nutshell, that is what Chalk Couture is. Doesn't that sound amazing? So now you want to take this class. I know you do. So let me tell you what you get, okay? So you're going to get this once it dries. This is a, like I said, Barnwood framed chalkboard. And it is 12 by 18. So it's a good versatile size. And you're also going to get a $25.99 transfer, which will fit this board. You will also get one chalk paste of color of your choice, and you get a squeegee. So you're going to get these things plus the transfer. And just the class price is only $40. So it's a really great deal because you're going to get to use it throughout the year, and you can purchase more transfers and change your design, or you can leave the one that you pick. And let me show you a sample. Some of the, set this board down here, of the designs that you can pick from. And I think the best way to show is just here. Let's see. Let me go ahead and pull them up. One second, sorry, here we go. All right, so there are quite a few transfers that you are able to choose from. And so you can choose one that if you'd like it for the holidays, or you can choose it for an occasion. So let me go ahead and get up to, there is a range of other transfers too, so that makes it really, really awesome. Here is one example. If I can get in there. There we go. Okay. So this one is called Chore Chart, and you're able to, it has all the different logos for chore charts. And this one says, "It's so good to be home." So you'll just head over to my website and you will choose which transfer that you would like. That is $25.99 in value. And you will not order through the website. You will email me your choice of transfer and your choice of color in chalk paste. And I will have the supplies for you at the class. So I hope that answers all your questions. Just check out the slide at the end of the video for the current class date and location and time for the current class info, and also the website, my website, which is crazyaboutchalk.chalkcouture.com. There's no www in front of that. That will take you to the corporate website, not mine. So I will have my website listed for you. And you will also need to email me at crazyaboutcricket@hotmail.com and let me know your choice in transfer and your choice in color of chalk paste. So for $40, you are going to get year-round value. I also want to say, in case I forgot to mention earlier, that the transfers are reusable. I always forget to, because I know that in my head, but they are reusable, and it depends on the surface that you're doing it on. The smoother, non-porous surfaces, like the chalkboards, like these type of chalkboards, glass, plastic, anything, the walls, those don't affect the life of your transfers. If it's something like wood or something where a porous surface, that may just lessen the sticky on the back of your transfer. but still, you'll get multiple uses out of every transfer. So it's not just a one-shot deal and you're done. You get to use it again and again and again. So that feather that I did on the chalkboard, I could put it on the chalkboard, I could put it on a cup. It would wash off on the cup, but you could put it on the wall. I could put it on decorative rocks. You can put it just about anywhere. You can use this chalk paste. On the wall, it will not stain your wall. You should test it out if you're not sure. Go ahead and give it a test. I have already done it. I have semi-gloss paint, so it doesn't stain my wall. Try to think any other questions that I've ever had about Chalk Couture. So I think that's pretty much the basics of it. Again, very basic steps. I hope you will want to check out this class. You'll get to take that board home. You'll get to keep it, you hang it up, and it's definitely going to be a conversation piece. People are going to just love it. If it's a gift, they are going to really love what you created. All right, guys, so thanks so much for joining me and checking this class out. If you have any questions, again, just check out the slide at the end of the video and it will have my email and you're able to just email me any questions that you may have. All right, guys, thanks so much. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.